Imagine you are running a website and one user starts sending hundreds of requests every second. Your server crashes, your app slow down, and real users shock. So how the companies like API prevent this? This is used called the rate limit. Today I will show you how to build one from scratch in JavaScript and explain every line with. First you want to know what is rate limit. A rate limit control how many requests an user can make within a specific time window. Think of the movie theater ticket counter. You can only buy 5 tickets every 10 minutes. If you can try to buy more tickets, you are blocked. That's exactly what your code is doing now. Now we create a class called rate limit. Think of it like a machine that manages traffic. Inside the constructor, we pass two things, limit and window size. Limit means how many requests are allowed, and window size means the time period. Then we store this value using this limit and the window size. Finally, we create this request using a map. The map stores each user request history, like how many times they made a request and when. Now let's understand the most important part of our rate limit, that is allow function. This function decides one simple thing: should we allow this request or block it? First we get the current time. We write const now equal to date.now. This gives us the exact moment when the request is coming in. Next, we calculate the smart of our time window. Const window start equal now minute this dot window size. This means we only care about recent requests. Now we get all previous requests of the user. Let request equal to this dot request dot get user or empty array. Simple. If the user is new, we just start with a empty list. So basically we are saying give me this user request history. Now come a very important step. We remove the request equal to request.filter. This line keep only the requests that are inside our time window. All requests are removed because they don't matter anymore. Then we save the update data pack. This dot request dot set user request. So now our system always has clean and recent data, not the old data. Now come the main decision. If request dot length is greater than equal to this dot limit, if the user has already made too many requests, we block them and we return allowed false and remaining 0. Means the user cannot make more requests right now. What happens if the user is under the limit? We allow the request and store it. We write request dot timestamp equal to now. This means we are saving the current request time. So now the system remains that is request is happened. After then we return the result allow true and remaining equal to this dot limit minimum request dot length. This tells us two things: the request is allowed and how many requests are left. For example, if the limit is 5 and the user has made 3 requests, this remaining will be 2. Now let's see how we use this rate limit. We create a new instance, const limit equal to new rate limit. We set limit equal to 5 and window size equal to 10,000 millisecond, which means 10 seconds. Then we define the user, const user equal to user1. Now we test it. we run the loop for 1 to 7. This means we are sending 7 requests. For each request, we call await limiter.isAllowed user and store the result. Then we print the output node.server.js. Here you can see only 5 users can be allowed and 2 is blocked because user can send 5 requests in 10 seconds only.